Last models, Golf 5, steering assist, fault codes. No or incorrect basic settings. Clear codes. Login coding 2 4168. Do it. Basic settings 60. Go. And press on, and now is 0 position. Problem is no change. You must center and little drive and wait change 0. OK. Už sa to mení. And now full right, press and hold strong, 1, 2, 3. Full left, press and hold, 1, 2, 3. And now only center. OK. Now it's 0. Luxury. Check fault code. Go back. No fault code.